Hello, so this is a revision video for IB Chemistry S1.4.3 Molar Mass, Mass, and the Mole. The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole's worth of that substance. It has units of grams per mole. Molar mass is numerically the same as relative atomic mass or relative formula mass, but with units added. For example, hydrogen has a relative atomic mass of 1.01, meaning its molar mass is 1.01 grams per mole. Mole's mass and molar mass can all be linked by the equation moles equals mass divided by molar mass, with the units for mass being grams and the units for molar mass being grams per mole. And the number of particles, n, in a substance can be calculated by taking the moles of the substance times by Avogadro's constant. Linked question here: how can molar masses be used with chemical equations to determine the masses of the products of a reaction? The general process is to use the given mass of a reactant to calculate its amount in moles, apply the mole ratio from the balanced equation to find the moles of the desired product, and multiply the product's moles by its molar mass to obtain its mass. This method links the theoretical relationships in an equation to real laboratory quantities, allowing the prediction of product yields or reactant requirements.